cauliflower recipe. Keep some mustard oil. Boil well boiled cauliflower, some ginger paste, some tomatoes grated, some ghee, some whole chili, some grated chili and whole garlic, onion grated, and chickpea flour. Some sugar, salt according to taste, turmeric, and any type of coriander. I use Mexican coriander. This is Mexican coriander. Mix it well. You can use your hand. I mix with the spoon. And give it on a heating pan. Spread the oil nicely. Now give your cauliflower slowly. Now cover it with any type of leaf. I use turmeric leaf because it gives nice flavor, and well covered it. Cook it 10 to 15 minutes. Then your cauliflower will be done.